2023 wholesale for MacBook Air charger. 33W, 60W, 85W LT tip. Key 1W, 87W, 96W Type-C replacement for Apple laptop. Charger. China best manufacturer, GPO power. Adapts to electric. USB wall charger. Power supply adapter. Universal adapter. Desktop charger. PD charger single Type-C plus USB port. Output power 33W max. And output voltage from DC 5V to DC 20V intelligence adjust. Safety protection. Short circuit protection. OVP. OTP. OLP. OCP. Other. Overcharging. Overcurrent. Overvoltage. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.